Evans Tire and Service Centers. We've been proudly serving drivers in the San Diego community for over 40 years, so we know what it takes to keep your car running smoothly and safely for years to come. Our auto services include tires, wheels, brakes, shocks and struts, batteries, oil changes, alignments, tire pressure monitoring systems, nitrogen, and more. Rebates and promotions are always available. We take pride in offering our customers professional and personable service with affordable prices. We know car maintenance can be expensive, but it's our goal to get you back on the road as affordably, quickly, and safely as possible. But don't just take our word for it. You can see what other satisfied customers have said in over 17,000 5-star reviews. Come and see why thousands of drivers trust Evans Tire and Service Centers to service their vehicles at one of our 18 locations. Call our tire experts today at 877-338-2678.